Stretch film is becoming increasingly popular as a composite packaging material in the packaging industry. Wintech Plastic Machinery Company, Ltd. is a professional manufacturer of stretch film manufacturing equipment. We specialize in the research, development, production, sales, and service of stretch film extrusion process as well as stretch film production line. According to the production requirements put forward by the customers, we can customize the multi-layer stretch film production line such as double layer, triple layer, and 5-layer. In addition to high-quality equipment, we provide our customers with industry-relevant information in our pre-sales and after-sales services. With years of intensive work in this industry, our professional after-sales service team has a wealth of technical experience. Upon receipt of our equipment by the customer or after-sales service team, on-site installation and commissioning and training will be provided to ensure that the operator is able to use and maintain the machinery in a safe and effective manner. Our products have been sold to 64 countries and regions around the world, and we provide first-class after-sales service. Wintech Plastic Machinery Company, Ltd. has established a large modern production workshop covering an area of 30,000 square meters to meet the performance requirements of customers for cast film and cast film production line. These facilities provide us with the manufacturing strength to maximize product quality at every step of production. The semi-finished goods warehouse has a programmed management system for storing components used in our cast or stretch film equipment. This enables our cast film lines to produce in an orderly manner, shortening cycle times and ensuring on-time delivery. The machining accuracy of the parts directly affects the installation and stability of the equipment. For this reason, we use high-precision CNC machine tools and equipment to process high-precision parts such as long shafts and rollers, which ensures machining accuracy in the shortest possible machining cycle and provides additional quality assurance for the finished product. Wintech Plastic Machinery Company, Ltd. strictly abide by the strict assembly standards. All qualified parts are assembled to the designated position by skilled and experienced technicians. Our electrical engineers will assemble the control cabinet according to the customer's specific requirements. Afterwards, software engineers will design strict control programs for each movement to ensure reliable and superior performance. Wintech Plastic Machinery Company, Ltd. has obtained international certificates such as ISO 9001, CE and 3C. We have set up offices in Turkey and other countries and regions. We have also established a sales network covering more than 60 countries such as the United States, Russia, and Spain. We are looking forward to cooperating with more customers from all over the world. As a professional cast film production equipment company, we can provide customers with a high degree of automation, high output, high efficiency, low overall energy consumption equipment to obtain greater added value. To date, we have supplied nearly 5,000 sets of cast film production equipment to customers in more than 60 countries around the world. Our equipment has been widely used in the fields of medical supplies, sanitary materials, construction, daily necessities, automobiles, household goods, and new composite materials.